Hello, my beautiful kings and queens. What's up with you guys? Today I have Mr. King with me today. We are going on the road. Isn't that right? What? Okay. So we're here trying to get the car to warm up. What's wrong with you, King? I think my lips is a little ashy. No, it's fine. I put Carmex on. What's going on? Yeah, so I'm headed to Walmart first just to get some things for dinner tonight. What time is it? It is about 4:38 and I want to go now before it gets late. It's 4:38. Oh my god. I honestly thought it was 3 o'clock. 4:38? Dang. Well, I'm going to go there and I will see you when I get in there, okay? All right. Hold on.
Always gone when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you now? Where are you now? Always try my best for you. You just know it is true. Where are we now?
Okay guys, so you know how I was vlogging going to Walmart? Well, things kind of changed because I had like a whole plan. I was gonna show you guys my grocery trip and make it look cool, whatever, and talk to y'all. But as I was walking and I was from the little part of the store, King fell asleep, so I had to carry him throughout the whole entire store. Everybody was like, "Oh, bless your heart, you have a full load today." I know he's happy. Oh, he's so precious. I even had to ask the guy. I was like, "Sir, can you please give me this watermelon because I can't pick it up." He just fell asleep. He was like, no problem, it's okay." And I was like, "Oh, you're so nice." He was still alive. And then as soon as I got to register, he wakes up. Like, you couldn't wake up earlier, you wake up now. I guess he didn't want to be bothered today. That's cool. So right now I'm just cooking up some food. Y'all see me, I'm making my Chinese rice and some chicken, fried chicken. I love my fried chicken. And I'm making some corn. But guess what, you guys? Remember when I was telling you about the kale blaster and how I was doing the, 3-day cleanse or whatever? I have been doing it. I just haven't vlogged it. And I lost 3 inches off my waist and 5 pounds on the scale. These jeans, I'm telling you, these jeans I have on right now, they are so old. And I tell you, like, middle, high school days. I think 10th grade. Yeah, I think so. So once I left my high school, I started eating a lot. I had too much freedom. Go to the store every day, eat, 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 eat. And I gained a lot of pounds. But I am back into my jeans. I was so happy. Like, it's not like, pew, like, like somebody put on the jeans and just burst open, like, pew, just burst open, girl. So I was trying to like find my style. So I was in my mama's closet, right? So I was looking for clothes to put on to see how I would look in these nice clothes because I want to try a new style. And I walked in there, found a shirt, and then I saw some jeans and I said, Mom, can you fit these? Because I don't want to stretch your jeans out because I know I'm a little bigger than you. So I don't want to stretch your jeans out. And she was like, try them on. I don't know if they can fit. So I put it on. I'm like, is it tight? And it kept pulling up and pulling up and pulling up. And I was like nervous. I was scared. And then I buttoned it. I was so happy. I was like, Mom, Mommy, look. She was like, good job. So I've been doing it. So now I'm going to continue to do it and see where this thing goes. Because it's amazing. It really is. I even bought some more tonight. So I'm going to juice it up in the morning and definitely use this thing because I'm telling you, 3 inches is a lot. I never see myself that small. I was like, wow. Well, I'm pretty sure I was that small. I mean, duh, but I'm saying like as far as, me growing up and old enough to understand inches and all that, when I started measuring it, I had never seen that. It's always at a certain number. It won't go nowhere. It just keeps staying here for years. It's been staying right at that number. So I'm like, okay. And it really like, I did it. I'm gonna keep doing it and watch you guys see me be real slim. Watch. I'm gonna be like, we watched you, transition yourself, got cute and stuff, find your style, your hairdos, and I'm just trying to get it all together, okay? I already said I need to get it together. Just get it together. Come on. Get it together. I have my vision board I'm about to do soon. My nice whiteboard. I'm going to find things I like to do. Follow my passion. Do it. Never give up on your dreams. Stuff like that. Work hard for it. Because I'm going to make it 2018. I am. Let me finish cooking my food because I don't want it to burn. I'll talk to y'all in a minute.
J Squad.